guys, Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cooks. As you know, it's been a really long time since we were together. I've had a lot going on personally, so I want to apologize from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys. Several of you have reached out to me just to kind of understand what was going on. But anywho, I am back, and without further ado, let's get started. Guys, I wanted to come on here real quick and show you I am making today Miss Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding, and it is amazing. It was referred to me or suggested to me by one of my friends, and so I took her advice. I made it. It's amazing, so I want to share it with you guys. So not many ingredients. We're going to start with Chessmen butter cookies. I've already lined my pan with those. And keep in mind, guys, I'm making a smaller portion. What I will share with you guys on the screen and also at the bottom of in the description box will be for a full serving, and that serves 12 people. This is only for about 3 people. So I've lined my pan with the cookies. I have sliced up some banana, and you can slice the banana as thin or as thick as you like. This is typically what I do. The next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and put that out of your way. You're going to grab some milk. You can use whole milk or 2% soy, whatever you choose to make, whatever you have. I always say that use what you have. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab some vanilla pudding, just your instant pudding. I have Jello brand French vanilla. You don't have to use Jello brand. You can use Great Value or Kroger, whatever you want to use, but make sure you get the French vanilla because it tends to be richer. And so you're going to grab those. You're going to mix them up with your mixer for about 2 minutes, and you're going to have a pudding-like consistency. So we're going to put that away. The next thing that we have is we've got some cream cheese. You want to make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature. Okay, and then you're going to grab some condensed milk. I've got some Great Value condensed milk that I'm using here. Okay, so we're going to take our condensed milk. We're going to take our cream cheese, softened cream cheese. We're going to mix them together. Okay, so this is my cream cheese. Got a banana on there. A slice of banana. Condensed milk, just pour it in. Condensed milk is pretty thick, so you'll have to help it out of the bowl probably. Okay, and we're just going to mix these together. Sometimes when you're working with banana, you may see a little speck. Like I said, there's a little piece of banana that's in there. Just go ahead and get that speck out of there. Not that it hurts anything, but I just don't like the way it looks. Okay. So the next thing that we have is some whipped topping. You can use Great Value, Kroger, Cool Whip, just whatever you can find. Now you want to make sure you use whipped topping and not whipped cream. The consistency is different. You're just going to whip that, mix or fold in that whipped topping into your cream cheese mixture. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the pudding. Now when you add the pudding, you want to make sure you mix it up well. And guys, we're almost done. Believe it or not, we're almost done. Okay, so what you're going to do, let's pour this over. Okay. You're going to grab some more bananas. Now you can make more than one layer to this if you like. It's up to you. But you're gonna, your last layer will be cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more pudding here. Now you could have put another layer of cookies in between there if you wanted to, but I'm gonna do it this way. You can always go around here with cookies if you like, or you can just throw it on top like I'm doing. And guys, that's it. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna refrigerate this just until you're ready to eat it and enjoy. We'll come back with the finished product after it's chilled. Thanks for watching. It's been chilling in the refrigerator. And so now the moment that we've all been waiting for is we're gonna cut this joker. And it's got a nice thickness to it, guys. See how that's coming straight out of that pan? Look at that. See those beautiful, beautiful bananas? See the side of that? It looks amazing, right? Okay, so we are going to give it a try. I'm gonna put this out of our way. Okay, we are gonna give it a try. Now I'm lactose intolerant, so I have to take a pill with dairy, but that's okay. It's worth it. All right, so let's give it a try. That's good. Oh. Guys, that's so yummy. Okay, Miss Paula. Guys, this is Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding, and it is amazing. Come on, Paula. Oh, that's great. Okay. Guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.